Welcome everyone, and a fresh intro to Tech Unbox Pro. Today, we are taking a detailed look at Sony's latest premium flagship, the Sony Xperia 17, a smartphone designed for professionals and true smartphone enthusiasts. Sony Xperia 17 follows Sony's iconic minimal and premium design language. The build quality feels solid and refined, offering a slim body with perfect balance in hand. This phone clearly reflects Sony's focus on precision and durability. One of the biggest highlights is the 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED CinemaWide display with a 21:9 aspect ratio. It delivers extremely sharp visuals, accurate colors, and smooth scrolling thanks to its high refresh rate. Watching movies, editing videos, or gaming feels truly cinematic on this display. The camera system is where Sony truly shines. The Sony Xperia 17 features a professional triple camera setup powered by alpha camera technology. It offers DSLR-like photography with real-time eye autofocus, stunning dynamic range, and natural color reproduction. Video recording is equally impressive, making this phone ideal for content creators and vloggers. Under the hood, the Xperia 17 is powered by the latest Snapdragon flagship processor, delivering lightning-fast performance, seamless multitasking, and console-level gaming. Paired with fast RAM and storage, the phone handles heavy tasks without any lag. Battery performance has also been optimized with intelligent power management, fast charging support, and reliable all-day usage. Sony's clean and near-stock Android experience ensures smooth performance without unnecessary bloatware. Overall, the Sony Xperia 1V is a unique flagship smartphone made for users who value camera accuracy, display quality, and professional features over flashy gimmicks. If you want a premium phone that feels truly different, this one deserves your attention. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Tech Unbox Pro. More premium tech content is coming very soon.